Okay, now we're going to talk about the Layout tab on Microsoft Word. The thing I use most in the Layout tab is the orientation. So if you want it to, mostly you start off in portrait, but if you'd rather turn the paper sideways, you can make it landscape. You could also change the margins here. If you look at what your teacher wants you to have for your margins, that's normal is 1 inch all around. If you want it to have smaller margins, or if you want to change that, you can even make custom margins. If you're using a different paper size, you would change that right there, although most of the time you won't do that because you have to use the printer that we have. So those are the things that I use most commonly. There's some other things on there that you might want to play with, but that's how I use the Layout tab. Let's look at it on Office 365 and see if there's anything different. You got your margins, you got your orientation, portrait and landscape, you got your size. This is if you want to indent, spacing before and after your paragraphs, you can change that. Okay, that's it. That is your Layout tab in Microsoft Word.